Alright guys, so we are back with another video. I sounded, bro, I just repeated that in my head. I sounded like the biggest fucking guru in the world. Anyways guys, we are cooking up. So the update on the business. So I want to show you, I forgot last time where I forgot from the last video where we left off. But yesterday, we actually almost hit 1K. We were at 968. So let's make sure everything's good. 968 with a 2.5 conversion. And we spent yesterday. So like, I'm sorry, I'm not sharing my screen because I don't like, you know, because I don't want to edit. I'm too lazy. So what did I say? 968. Boom. 184 spent. Isn't that insane, bro? Like, that is insane ROAS. Like, I'm cooking. And realistically, I've explained this before on my Discord, but it's because my offer is so good. It unlocks me to have such a high AOV. And, you know, even if it, first of all, my cost to acquire a customer is actually already profitable. Like, it's like $10 to $15 average. But, like, my average order is like $70, you know? So I'm acquiring a customer for max $15 and the average order is $70. Like, you see the profitability on that? That is what's so important. I've learned that before, obviously, like, upsells are important, after sales are important, you know, the extra things like package protection, shipping, you can do all of that once, like, after like day 2. Like, you want to make sure you get it done properly, like right after you start getting sales the first day. But before you even launch, you need to have a good offer, an offer where it's like, okay, I can cater to kind of both customers. You know, I have an offer that's like for $30, let's say, so the people that don't want to spend too much money. But then, like, I have another bundle or like another offer where they can spend like 100 plus, right? So that's where I'm killing it, because like a lot of people are actually spending $100 on an order. You know, if I didn't have that offer to them, I would just be getting people that like have $30 and then they would have to go on the add to cart and press like 1, 2, 3, 4, how many, whichever they want. But it's not intriguing, you know. I make it a bundle, I give them free gifts, whatever it is. And it just, the offer I cooked up is good, but I still have to be testing offers. But right now, because my offer is so good, I'm going to give it a bit more time. I'm really trying to focus on creatives. This product doesn't have a lot of creatives. I think I mentioned that last video. Anyways, so I have to be unique with the creatives. But basically, so I want to show you today. So today we actually had a bit of an issue, right? You know, obviously, guys, look, problems are going to come, and I rather these problems, to be honest. Like, you know, so what happened was, actually, in the middle of my live call, my credit card shut down Facebook payments because they thought I was getting fraud. So I had to manually, like, accept saying it's not fraud, it's me. But that meant that it stopped spending, and it stopped spending like in the late afternoon when that's like peak time. So right now, today, here, I'm at 800 in sales, and I'm also running another store with my partners. So hold on, I'm gonna show you today's total spend, but you have to subtract $23. So it's basically, I spent 191 minus 23, so it's like around 170 for $800. Like, again, the ROAS is insane. It's just so profitable, and that's why, like, I'm trying to scale. And the issue is because I guess they blocked my payments for a bit, they completely stopped spending. Like, if you go check my sessions, it just completely flatlines at peak time, and I keep refreshing right now, it's not spending. It like kind of ruined the momentum, so I'm like fucking buzzing. But at the end of the day, it is what it is. The ads are going to start spending soon, and should get back on track. I do want to say though that I have a crazy offer, and before I end the video, I want to say for you to really check out the Discord and the community down below. I got a few messages, and like hopefully, because some people I can see them saying like, "Oh, Julian, it's because you weren't getting any members, so you're dropping the price." Look, you can believe whatever you want, but the main reason why I'm dropping the price, because I actually, no joke, I'm not gonna start exposing names, but like, no joke, I got a few DMs saying like, Julian, like I've been watching all your videos. I really love your Discord. It's just unfortunately, like, I don't want to be spending that money because like I'm low on money and it's Q4. I'm testing a lot of stores and obviously there's a lot of other options out there. So after I got like 2-3 of those, I just said, you know what? Like, again, it's not all about the money for me, and that's why I lowered it now to $20 because, you know, it's over like a 50% discount. And I'm going to keep it like that for a while, like, you know, maybe, I don't know when, but like maybe like for a few months, maybe like 2 months max till the end of the year, at least for Q4, because, you know, I want to help as many people. I want a lot of people to join the community so we can start building connections and working together. And I understand that, you know, like we're low in finance. So I really want to cater to those people and help you guys out. So now that it's the cheapest it will probably ever be, please make sure to check the link below. I'm going to start exposing my product soon. I already exposed the market. And all the resources that I have in there is basically what I followed for this store. So clearly I know all the resources there clearly work. And all the principles, because I've already explained that I don't teach methods, I teach principles, because there are millions of methods out there, right? But you can't memorize millions of methods, but what you could do is remember principles, because there's only a few, right? And once you learn the principles, you can then create your own methods, you know, tweak your own strategies, because at the end of the day, there's no straight line, black and gray strategy, or else everyone would be doing it, right? There's millions of variables for every business. So that's why I'm emphasized on principles, not methods. And with principles, you can now become a killer yourself. Because something that I've noticed is that there's a reason why people don't have confidence in this game. And it's because they follow people's methods step by step, right? And if it works, great. If it doesn't, it doesn't, right? But if it works, eventually it's going to stop, one. And first of all, usually it won't. Like the success rate for copying someone else's method, like off the bat, probably won't work as a high rate. But if it does, let's say, it's going to work, but then it's eventually going to die. But then you only copied. Did you learn anything, right? You didn't learn anything. You didn't add your own thought, your own brain, your own experience, right? So no wonder people have low confidence, because they never found success through their own decision making. It's all copy paste, right? So that's why it's super, super important to learn principles, not methods, because you can now be able to succeed in any situation possible because you know the business fundamentals, right? And that's what I emphatically have in the Discord, because it's super, super important, and it's super important for your confidence, right? So at the end of the day, again, it's the lowest it'll ever be. It's my gift to you for this Q4. Please make sure to check it down below. And of course, as always, I'll see you at the top.